This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, February 8th. Starting out with the stock index futures, we are seeing a pretty good performance today with the indices a little bit higher, even though we do have the ongoing federal budget impasse. Also, there is a lot of tension in Washington in various areas. That has been, I believe, the catalyst for the downdraft that we have seen recently in prices. And yet, stock indices have come back to some degree. Each and every time there has been some type of political news of any type around the world, since this bull market started in 2009, it has been the low interest rate environment that has rescued the market. And I think that will be the case again this time, as global interest rates still are very supportive to the indices. Moving over to the currencies, after several days of higher prices, the dollar index now coming under some pressure as flight to quality longs are being liquidated. This in light of the better prices today in the stock index futures. The euro currency holding up relatively well. And I still believe that the ECB will be reducing some of their accommodation later this year. And there's a very good chance that in the first half of next year that the ECB could possibly be hiking interest rates. Of course, that would be very supportive to the euro currency. And good gains today in the pound as the Bank of England holding its policy meeting today, although keeping rates unchanged. The Bank of England was rather hawkish in their commentary. Some analysts believe that the Bank of England could hike rates as early as this May. In the interest rate futures markets, some pressure again developing in the bonds, with flight to quality longs being liquidated. In fact, the bond market now at its lowest level since April of 2015. So nothing is changing in my long-term view in the credit markets. Still looking for lower across the board, especially at the long end, the 30-year Treasury bond. So any rallies should be used as selling opportunities. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.